Imagine waking up every morning to a radiant, flawless complexion, skin so smooth and soft, you can't help but be amazed at its beauty. In this presentation, we'll explore the transformative power of castor oil for your skin, examining its rich history, remarkable properties, and many benefits. Derived from the seeds of the castor plant, scientifically known as Ricinus communis. This remarkable oil has been a staple in holistic wellness for millennia. In ancient Egypt, castor oil found its place among the revered mixtures adorning the shelves of royal chambers and apothecaries. Cleopatra herself, famous for her legendary beauty rituals, is said to have incorporated castor oil into her skincare regimen, using its nourishing properties for a flawless complexion. Across the ancient world, from India to Greece, castor oil was revered not only for its cosmetic benefits, but also for its potent medicinal properties. Traditional healers and herbalists prized it as a versatile remedy, prescribing it for numerous health conditions ranging from skin irritations to digestive disorders. As centuries passed, the legacy of castor oil endured, going beyond geographical boundaries and cultural divides. Today, as modern science unravels the mysteries of botanical medicine, castor oil continues to captivate researchers and skincare experts alike, reaffirming its status as a timeless beauty secret cherished by civilizations past and present. What can castor oil do for your skin? Achieving optimal nourishment and hydration is key for maintaining healthy, radiant skin. Castor oil is precisely famous for its exceptional ability to deeply penetrate the skin and deliver essential nutrients where they're needed most. At the heart of castor oil's hydrating effect lies its rich composition of ricin acid and essential fatty acids. These bioactive compounds work together to penetrate the skin's barrier, reaching deep into the dermal layers to replenish moisture and restore balance. Once absorbed, ricin acid acts as a potent moisturizer, attracting water molecules and binding them to the skin's surface. This moisture-locking effect creates a protective barrier that seals in hydration, preventing moisture loss and leaving the skin feeling soft, supple, and rejuvenated. Additionally, the presence of essential fatty acids further enhances castor oil's hydrating properties, infusing the skin with vital nutrients and promoting cellular regeneration. As these nourishing compounds work their magic, they help to fortify the skin's natural lipid barrier, strengthening its defenses against environmental stressors and maintaining optimal moisture levels. Whether used as a standalone treatment or incorporated into skincare formulations, castor oil offers a holistic approach to hydration, delivering unparalleled nourishment and rejuvenation from within. With its ability to leave skin visibly revitalized and radiant, it's no wonder that castor oil has earned its place as a key ingredient in the quest for healthy, glowing skin. Castor oil again emerges as a powerful ally in the eternal pursuit of youthful, age-defying skin. At the core of its efficacy lies a potent blend of bioactive compounds that work synergistically to rejuvenate and revitalize the skin from within. Central to castor oil's anti-aging properties is its ability to stimulate the production of collagen and elastin, two essential proteins that play a crucial role in maintaining the skin's firmness, elasticity, and overall youthfulness. By promoting the synthesis of these structural proteins, castor oil helps to restore the skin's natural resilience and suppleness, combating the visible signs of aging and imparting a more youthful, radiant complexion. Furthermore, castor oil's rich array of nutrients and antioxidants works tirelessly to combat oxidative stress and free radical damage, which are key contributors to premature aging. As these potent compounds penetrate deep into the skin, they neutralize harmful free radicals, preventing cellular damage and preserving the skin's youthful vitality. With regular use, castor oil can effectively reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots, unveiling smoother, more luminous skin that exudes timeless beauty. Whether applied topically or incorporated into skincare formulations, castor oil offers a holistic approach to anti-aging skincare, harnessing the power of nature to defy the hands of time and unveil a complexion that radiates youthfulness and vitality. All you need to do is simply apply a few drops of castor oil to your cleansed face once daily, using gentle circular motions. But wait, there is more. One of the key strengths of castor oil lies in its remarkable ability to soothe inflammation and promote healing, making it particularly effective in alleviating the symptoms associated with acne and psoriasis. Rich in anti-inflammatory compounds, castor oil works to calm irritated skin, reduce redness, and alleviate discomfort, providing much-needed relief to those grappling with these troublesome conditions. To tackle an inflammation, take a cotton swab or wrap a small piece of cotton wool around a toothpick or matchstick. Dip the cotton in castor oil, then apply it generously to the inflamed area of the skin. Leave the castor oil on the skin for about an hour, then rinse it off. It will soothe your skin in no time. Furthermore, castor oil boasts antibacterial properties that help to combat acne-causing bacteria, preventing breakouts and promoting clearer, healthier skin. By penetrating deep into the pores, castor oil cleanses and purifies the skin, removing impurities and excess oil that can contribute to acne flare-ups. Try this. Before going to bed, thoroughly clean your face with a regular mild soap. Use warm water to open the pores better. Pour a few drops of castor oil onto your skin. Massage your face gently in circular motions with your fingertips until the skin absorbs the oil. Let the castor oil remain on your face overnight. This way, it promotes the regeneration of skin cells and provides lasting healing. In the morning, wash your face, but this time with cold water. Be patient, and before you know it, you'll see the first results. In addition to its acne-fighting powers, castor oil also helps heal wounds, offering a natural and effective solution for minor cuts, scrapes, and abrasions. Its emollient properties create a protective barrier over the skin, shielding it from external aggressors and promoting the regeneration of healthy tissue. For best results, apply castor oil to the affected area twice daily. Be gentle. Avoid rubbing or irritating the wound area. Use clean hands or tools to prevent infection. Continue application until you see improvement. And remember, consistent use leads to the best results. Whether used as a spot treatment for acne-prone areas or applied topically to irritated skin, castor oil offers a gentle yet effective approach to addressing common skincare concerns. By harnessing the healing power of nature, castor oil helps to restore balance, promote healing, and enhance overall skin health, empowering individuals to achieve a clear, radiant complexion. A helpful tip to keep in mind is that while castor oil boasts numerous healing properties, experts often recommend diluting it before application. This can be achieved by blending it with a lighter oil, known as a dilutant or carrier oil. For optimal results, mixing castor oil in a 50-50 ratio with coconut oil, almond oil, or shea butter is recommended. This way, the skin absorbs the oil faster, also leading to quicker results. But you will surely ask, are there any side effects? To ensure a balanced perspective, it's important to acknowledge that while castor oil is generally considered safe for topical application, there are potential side effects that individuals should be aware of, particularly when using it on the face. Although many people experience no adverse reactions, it's worth noting that some individuals may have sensitivities or allergies to castor oil. Symptoms of an allergic reaction can include skin rashes, swelling, itching, and redness, which may mean you should stop using it and consult with a healthcare professional. Furthermore, individuals with pre-existing skin conditions, such as dermatitis, may be more prone to experiencing unwanted effects from castor oil. Therefore, it's advisable to seek medical advice before incorporating it into your skincare routine, especially if you have a history of such conditions. Additionally, care should be taken to avoid getting castor oil in the eyes, as this can lead to irritation and discomfort. As with any skincare product, it's essential to exercise caution and follow recommended guidelines for safe and effective use. So, let's recap. The remarkable properties of castor oil offer a wealth of benefits for skincare, making it a valuable addition to any beauty regimen. From its ability to deeply nourish and hydrate the skin to its anti-aging effects and its effectiveness in addressing common skin concerns, castor oil has proven itself to be a versatile and powerful ally in promoting healthy, radiant skin. As we've explored, castor oil's origins and traditions date back millennia, with its reputation for skincare excellence standing the test of time. Recognized for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, castor oil continues to be revered for its ability to soothe, heal, and rejuvenate the skin. Whether you're looking to combat signs of aging, address specific skin issues, or simply enhance your overall complexion, castor oil offers a natural and effective solution. By harnessing the transformative benefits of this remarkable oil, you can unlock the secret to healthier, more radiant skin. I encourage you to explore the many ways in which castor oil can benefit your skin and to experience its remarkable effects firsthand. With its proven track record and countless success stories, castor oil stands as a testament to the power of nature in promoting beauty and well-being. Subscribe for more health insights and science-backed remedies from the Nature Healing Hub.